Welcome to the WP Week podcast, your one-stop destination for the latest updates and insights from the dynamic world of WordPress. Whether you're a WordPress agency, developer, or simply an enthusiast, this podcast is designed to cater to your needs and keep you updated on all things WordPress. But first, a word from our sponsors. This episode is proudly brought to you by Omnisend. Boost sales effortlessly with Omnisend, a top-rated email and SMS marketing tool for e-commerce. First up, WordPress 6.5.5 is now available. This release focuses primarily on security, patching 3 vulnerabilities and including 3 bug fixes in the core. If you haven't updated yet, make sure to do so to keep your site secure. Next, WordPress 6.6 Beta 3 has been released and is ready for testing. We can expect the release candidate 1 later today. It's an exciting time to be a tester, so get your hands on the beta and help us ensure a smooth final release. Now, let's talk about what's new in Gutenberg 18.6. The latest version introduces background image support for quote verse and post content blocks, enhancements to data views, and more. These updates aim to enhance the overall user experience and give more creative control to users. The WordPress theme directory has received a visual revamp and is now powered by blocks. Nick Diego has provided a quick overview of all the changes. This refresh not only modernizes the look, but also makes it easier to navigate and find themes. There's a proposal for a unified sponsorship initiative aimed at enhancing support for WordCamp organizers. This proposal suggests forming a task force to streamline sponsorship efforts, ensuring sustainability, and improving the overall sponsor experience. It's important to note that this is not intended to diminish the autonomy of WordCamp organizers, but to offer them additional resources and support. Congratulations to Cynthia Norman, the 2024 Kim Parcell Memorial Scholarship recipient. Cynthia joined the WordPress Contributor Mentorship Program in its inaugural year as a mentee and credits the program with helping her grow professionally within the WordPress community. In other news, Google's AI overviews are showing less frequently, with Reddit no longer being one of the top 10 most cited domains. This shift highlights changes in how Google's AI prioritizes content in its search results. Let's dive into the new features in WordPress 6.6. One of the goals is to simplify the process for theme authors to override core styles while maintaining support for global styles. WordPress 6.6 has unified the different slots and extensibility APIs between the post and site editors, making it easier for plugin authors to integrate their extensions. Birgit Polly Hawk shared a table listing all core blocks available in the inserter, marking the features they support in the block editor. This lookup table is a valuable resource for developers to find information quickly. WordPress 6.6 will also allow users to define site-wide background images in theme.json and the site editor. Version 3 of theme.json will land with WordPress 6.6 and is recommended for themes supporting this version. There are also changes to the social links block in WordPress 6.6, affecting both the social link and social links blocks, including HTML changes and class name changes when used inside a navigation block. The Options API in WordPress 6.6 will include the ability to disable auto-load for large options, which is a significant improvement for performance and management of options. Improvements to active block variation detection in WordPress 6.6 are also noteworthy. The isActive property can now be a function or a shorthand string, enhancing how variations are detected as active. Here's a quick roundup of web security and vulnerability news from the past week. The WordFence Intelligence Weekly WordPress Vulnerability Report from June 10, 2024 to June 16, 2024 disclosed 73 vulnerabilities in 62 plugins. Stay vigilant and ensure your plugins are updated. Ahmad Hussein has acquired the AI Bud plugin from Cha-Da. This acquisition marks an exciting development in the AI plugin space. Moving to community news, Scanfully. A new WordPress site health and performance dashboard created by Remkes de Vries and Barry Kuij is now live. It's designed to help users monitor and improve their site performance easily. WooCommerce 9.0 has been released with numerous improvements, including an enhanced checkout experience, a new REST API endpoint for refunds, and the availability of product collections blocks. However, a developer advisory was issued regarding a legacy REST API error, which was quickly fixed with WooCommerce 9.0.1. WPMU Dev has joined the Voltar Cloud Alliance Partner Program, combining specialized WordPress solutions with high-performance cloud infrastructure to deliver greater value and efficiency for users. Exciting updates are here for WPML form plugins, with better display of conditional fields, fixes to placeholders, and translation support for sublabels in name fields. These updates come ahead of the upcoming WPML 4.7 release. Aaron Edwards has launched a new AI-powered FAQ generator. This tool generates a list of frequently asked questions about a website for free, powered by DocsBot AI. It's a useful resource for website owners looking to enhance their site's informational content. At WordCamp Europe, Katie Keith and Matt Cromwell, co-hosts of WP Product Talk, delivered a presentation summarizing insights from interviews with 50 product owners. They've shared key takeaways in an X thread, along with access to their presentation slides. Brian Gardner is the new host of the Press This podcast. He announced this via X, and the first episode is now available. Tune in to hear his fresh take on WordPress news and discussions. The WordPress Speed Build Challenge is gaining traction, with Jamie Marsland sharing a screenshot of a WP meetup in Eindhoven focused on recreating a Dutch website in 30 minutes using just the WordPress block editor. This challenge is fostering excitement and skill building in the community. Finally, a big milestone for InstaWP as they reach 1 million websites created in just 2 years. Congratulations to Vikas Singhal and the InstaWP team for this incredible achievement. That's a wrap for today's episode of the WP Week podcast sponsored by Omnisend. Stay tuned for more updates, interviews, and insights from the world of WordPress. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Until next time, keep creating and innovating with WordPress.